Investing transcends mere numbers on a screen. It's a timeless odyssey, a dance with the ever-shifting currents of the market. Solely fixating on prices transforms it from an investment into a gamble. However, the hidden wisdom lies in longevity. The more you embrace stock holding over time, the more it sheds its risk. This index isn't just a conduit for wealth, it's a gateway to financial alchemy. The longer you ride the waves of stocks, especially through the S&P 500, the more the mystical elements of financial stability come into play. Imagine this scenario. In 2007, the iconic Warren Buffett issued a bold challenge, inviting anyone to $1 million bet. The premise was straightforward yet impactful. Could randomly chosen hedge funds surpass the S&P 500's performance over 10 years? Spoiler alert, none could. The S&P 500 emerged victorious, boasting an impressive 125% return and cementing its reputation as an unparalleled powerhouse in the financial arena. This episode not only showcased the strength of the S&P 500, but also underscored the enduring reliability of this index in the face of diverse market challenges. So, why is the S&P 500 the golden child of index funds? It's not just an investment, it's a stake in America. Roughly 80% of the entire U.S. market, exceeding a colossal $20 trillion, is encapsulated in this index. It's like investing in the heartbeat of the nation. Imagine the potential. Flashback to 1942 when an 11-year-old invested $114.75 in 3 stocks. Fast forward, had those dollars been poured into the S&P 500 with dividends reinvested annually, the result would be a jaw-dropping $400,000 today. This isn't a fairy tale, it's the power of long-term investment in the heart of America. Navigating the modern market is akin to confronting the ghost of volatility. Each day, the average retail investor grapples with uncertainties, questioning the wisdom of their next move. Drawing a parallel to the realm of real estate sheds light on a valuable perspective. Just as a landowner or commercial property holder doesn't scrutinize daily value fluctuations, the focus lies on the business at hand. Allowing the market to perform its unpredictable dance, caution emerges against the perilous game of leveraging assets with borrowed funds. It's a risky venture in a landscape where the only constant is change, urging investors to tread with prudence in the intricate ballad of financial markets. The allure of stocks lies in their liquidity, a double-edged sword brimming with inherent risks. Cryptocurrencies epitomize this reality, as their values can undergo seismic shifts in a matter of hours, mirroring the volatility of a high-stakes casino gamble rather than embodying the measured approach of a calculated investment. The magnetic appeal draws investors into a world where fortunes can be made or lost with breathtaking speed. It's a realm where cautionary tales intertwine with the thrill of potential gains, making the investment landscape a roller coaster ride of emotions. Navigating this dynamic terrain requires a strategic mindset, acknowledging the risks while seeking opportunities amidst the market's ebb and flow. On the contrary, the S&P 500 emerges as an unwavering symbol of stability, unswayed by the erratic landscape of politics. Serving as a reliable and diversified portfolio, it offers a resilient route to prosperity, standing in stark contrast to the volatile nature of alternative investment avenues. The index becomes a beacon of dependability, navigating through market uncertainties with steadfast assurance. In a world where financial tides can be unpredictable, the S&P 500 remains a beacon of consistency, providing investors with a trustworthy anchor amid the tumultuous seas of economic fluctuations. It stands as a testament to the enduring strength and reliability inherent in a well-structured and time-tested investment strategy. Warren Buffett, atop the market pinnacle, often struggles to find attractive stocks. Yet, when he dives into the essence of a business, he uncovers its beauty. Buying small parts of a business at a discount compared to the whole is the investor's advantage. Think of stocks as fractional ownership of a business. It's not just about the price or levels, it's about understanding the core. Many shareholders view companies as savings accounts. They invested decades ago. And as the company multiplies their wealth, it becomes a reinvestment powerhouse. This long-term perspective is the wind beneath the wings of the American economy. Navigating the stock market requires resilience as it's not suited for everyone. Hasty decisions triggered by volatile price swings can spell disaster. Investment is a voyage, akin to a marathon, not a sprint. The extended tenure of holding stocks diminishes inherent risks, providing a shield against market uncertainties. Succumbing to panic and hastily selling is a perilous route. In this intricate dance of financial markets, emotions often clash with rationality. Those who endure, understanding the market's ebb and flow, are rewarded. Patience becomes a valuable ally, and in the realm of investing, it's the steadiness that withstands the tempest, ultimately paving the way to financial success. Navigating the world of investing is deceptively simple, yet beneath the surface lies a psychological labyrinth. As someone who imparts the fundamentals to both teenagers and adults, I've observed the challenges they face. There's a persistent desire for the casino simplicity, where doubling your money happens in the blink of an eye. The magnetic pull of rapid wealth creation is undeniable. However, it's crucial to recognize that investing isn't a realm of shortcuts. It demands patience, understanding, and a strategic approach. Beyond the allure of immediate gains, the true essence of investing lies in the journey, the discipline, and the long-term vision. A journey that unfolds gradually, revealing the potential for sustainable prosperity. In the timeless shadow of today lies the tree, a testament to the wisdom planted years ago by Warren Buffett. His words echo a profound truth. Those who sow wisely now reap generously in the comforting shade of the future. The essence lies in transcending stocks from mere numbers on a screen to an investment that resonates with the heartbeat of a nation. Investing in the S&P 500 isn't just about stocks. It's a stake in the dynamic pulse of America's economic powerhouse. This transcends mere numbers on a screen. It's a captivating dance with time, a rhythmic journey through the market's twists and turns. The allure lies not just in financial gains, but in the promise of a future steeped in prosperity. Picture Warren Buffett's million-dollar bet, a testament to the S&P 500's unwavering supremacy over randomly selected hedge funds. This index, representing over 80% of the colossal $20 trillion U.S. market, is more than an investment. It's a journey into the heartbeat of a nation. Embrace the long-term perspective. Let your investment grow like a tree planted years ago, providing shade and stability amidst market volatility. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to receive more content. Join us for our next videos. Until then, stay fit and fabulous.